Once again, today I am going to go over Birthday Wisher. It's a Chrome extension which I've already added. I'm just going to show you how to log in. Log in with your default name and password that you were emailed. And so what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to automate sending birthday wishes to people on your friends list. So what you can do is either make a post or send a message, whichever one you want. So I would say make a post, and obviously you have to go and create one. So we're going to create one in settings. All right, so we're going to create a new one. I'll just say happy Bday. Hope it's a great day, comma, and tag person. That'll get their first name and add it to your post. So now that we've got that set, we can go to messages. We can create a message segment. Just call it Happy B-Day. And for this one, you can do a block or a segment and just say, hi, first name, hope you have a great day. And now that that's added, we'll save that segment. And when we go to posts, we make sure we've got that set up, and we schedule it so that it won't send out a bunch of messages all at once. I'm going to select my local time, so that is correct. And I'm going to save. So now that that's updated, it's going to go out, go to people that have a birthday today, and it's going to send them that birthday post. So now, you're boosting engagement, you're freeing up your time, and just make sure that nobody gets missed on their birthday. So if anybody wants to check this out, get a trial, purchase it, let me know, send me a message, comment below, and if you have any questions, that's about it. Thank you.